actionable, investable, and honest. I'm Greg Greenberg, and this is Buy This, Sell That. Let's make it profitable. Tim Hathaway, one stock that you're bullish on is Vitamin Shoppe. So with all the worries about consumer spending out there, do you think they'll still be buying fancy vitamins?
Well, I'll tell you one thing that really impressed us with Vitamin Shoppe is when we looked back at how that company performed during the financial crisis, they grew same-store sales at a single-digit level throughout that entire period of time. So we thought that gave us conviction that this is a company that really does have a secular growth story, a secular growth driver that can grow even in challenging economic times.
You're also a buyer of PriceSmart. They're expanding in Latin America. It's like a rival to Walmart de Mexico. Tell me about this company and how much further can they expand?
So PriceSmart, like you said, is basically similar to the Sam's Club model, similar to the Costco model, run by very smart people, started by the founders of the Price Club. They just entered Colombia, and if you look at the Colombia market alone, that is equal to the same size of all the other Latin American markets that they've gone into to date. So we think just Colombia alone, they have 1 store today, open up 2 more stores in 2013. We think there's room for 20.
You're also a buyer of Ultimate Software. They're a competitor to ADP. It's a pretty tough competitor, isn't it?
So what's interesting about Ultimate is you've seen this a lot of success by these software as a service companies, these cloud computing software companies, and that's exactly how Ultimate delivers their payroll solution. So we think they have shown that they've effectively been able to take some share from ADP, and as a result, they've been able to grow at better than 20% over the last several years, and we think they can continue to grow at that rate going forward.
So those are 3 stocks that you would consider buys. Is there a certain stock or sector you would sell right now?
I think the area that we're treading lightly when we look at sectors is energy. Energy, you've seen a lot of commodity price volatility. You've seen natural gas come down to almost depressionary levels, and then now we've seen a correction in oil. So our feeling is with commodity prices at points where it starts to impact the fundamentals of both E&P companies and service companies, that's an area where we're currently underweight.